Hi there. Here are some particular solution example problems. For those of you who are using this to study for your test, I might recommend pausing the video after I put the problem up on the screen. That way you can practice the problem on your own and then restart the video whenever you're ready so that you can either get an explanation if you got stuck or you can check your answer by fast forwarding to the end. Okay. So our instructions for these ones are going to say something along the lines of find the particular solution. Okay, for f prime of x equaling, and then something maybe like x times the quantity of x minus 3. And then it'll be through the point, or containing the point, or something along those lines, but a point, negative 3, 2. Okay? So, particular solutions. Particular solutions start the same way general solutions do, which is we do need to take this antiderivative. As I look at this, I notice that I can get this into power rule by distributing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We have x squared minus 3x. And then I can apply power rule, add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. And so this then would be my general solution. My particular solution, where it separates itself from the general solution, is we are then going to take our general solution here and we're going to solve for what c would have to be so that this point was a solution to the equation, or so that this equation passed through that point. Okay, and so to solve for that c, I'm going to go ahead and take my y and plug it in, and my x and plug it in. And then as I rewrite this and solve for c, negative 3 cubed is negative 27, divided by 3 is negative 9. Negative 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27. Okay, adding this 9 over, we get 11 equals negative 27 over 2 plus c. And then adding the 27 over 2 over, this is 22 over 2. Plus 27 over 2, which is going to be 49 over 2. Okay. And so then this c is going to go in here to give me my particular solution. My particular solution is going to be f of x equals x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus my c, which is 49 over 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a trig one. So again, something about find the particular solution of, and then maybe f prime of x equals secant squared x, and then something about through the point pi over 4, 3. So again, to find the particular, we first need to find our antiderivative, our general. Okay, well, the antiderivative of secant squared x is tangent x. And so there's my general solution. To find the particular, I'm going to go ahead and take my y and plug it in. Take my x and plug it in. Okay, well, tangent of pi over 4 is 1. Subtracting the 1 over, we get c is 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that to plug it back in. So my particular solution is tangent x plus my c, which is 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and do one more. We had find the particular solution of f prime of x equals x squared times the quantity of 10 minus x through the point 0, 10. Okay, so again, antiderivative first. To get this into power rule, I do need to distribute. And now I can do power rule, adding 1 to the exponent, dividing by the new exponent. Okay, and so then, taking my point, y is 10, x is 0. This will allow me to solve for c. Well, 10 times 0 cubed divided by 3 is 0. 0 to the 4th divided by 4 is 0. And so I get that c equals 10. And so then that's going to go into my function. My function is going to be f of x equals 10x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4 plus my c, which is 10.